Hi guys, what I'm going to show you this evening is how I use technology to achieve certain objectives with regards to geometry. Um, I realize that there is a challenge for those who don't have computers and all this technology that's available. But all that means is that you have to take a different approach. Okay, so there are ways to bypass the fact that if you don't have technology. And one example would be don't use a textbook in a traditional manner. What you could do is you could print 2 pages of maths, 2 pages of English, 1 page of poetry, um, 1 page of science, 1 page of geography, and then paste and then staple those pages together, and that would suffice as a textbook. It'll be far better if the kids work through, let's assume, 15 pages. Yeah, 15 pages is good enough. If they had 15 pages of those type of worksheets every day, as opposed to textbooks. Okay, it does work. I'm not, I'm not advocating that it won't work. It will work if you have between 10 and 15 sheets, all different subjects stapled together, and you just go through it. It'll work, but I'm using technology, and I'm now going to show you how I do geometry using technology. Okay, and the kids I'm talking about are 9, 10, 11-year-old kids, and they understand exactly what's happening. Here we go. So for today, what we need to do is we need to answer this question, which is, I'm going to write it out, the angle of CBA. Okay, that's what it means, angle of CBA and CBA. I then ask them to go to the comment on Foxit PDF, go to measure, choose perimeter. Now just look what happens. A window comes up here where there's information. I know there are more advanced programs, okay, GeoGebra, etc. But I find this the most simplest and the most versatile tool to use. So I use the correct terminology when I talk to the kids. I don't say they're small and they don't understand. Click on point C, and they have clicked. Drag up to vertex B. Click. Now at this point, what you'll notice is that the angle is actually giving you, it's telling you the size of the angle, and at this point we've got 99, which we will round off to 100. Okay, so let's round off to 100, and that should work. Double click, and there you go. Now, as you can see, it has the angle size is 100. I'm rounding off, it's 100. And here is where the magic comes in. I go to my typewriter, I go to my answer, and I say the angle is 100. But we are going to try and be mathematically correct. So I pressed Windows and full stop. Comes up with a menu, and I go to my mathematical terms here. Let's look for mathematics. Where is it? The kids are normally very good with this. Okay, I'm going back. And we're going to the mathematical symbols. And as you can see, the most recently used one is your degrees, and I'm going to select it. And I'm going to close it. And as you can see, I have 100 degrees. Okay, and the answer, it says the angle CBA is acute, obtuse, or right. And I will say it is an obtuse. And then I will save the work. Okay, so as you can see, it is technology driven, it's fast. I have no use for compass, pencils, erasers, paper. Okay, this is, to me, it's the best possible method I could use. If you make a mistake, you push a button and you undo everything and you can restart again. Okay, so for today, we did all three. As you can see, the numbers are in there, the degrees are in there. Okay, so it was I must say, it's quite a bit of work, but the kids enjoyed it. Okay, so let's just switch back over here. Okay, so as you can see, it does work. It's very efficient, and we're not spending 6 months trying to figure out what a degree is. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoyed it.